Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing some filming at Wynyard light rail stop. To start off with, we have a light rail set number 31 or 37 departing, as we have another light rail coming up the track towards this light rail stop. I'm pretty sure that's Wynyard, but if you end up seeing the title as a different one, that's because it's not Wynyard Station. Here's the view down George Street with the light rail. There's another one coming up, heading towards Randwick. We also have another one up here, coming around the corner. That one's heading towards Circular Quay. Light rail's now approaching Wynyard light rail stop up there, and we have that one just waiting at the traffic light. Here comes that light rail coming into Wynyard light rail stop, followed by this one over here heading towards Circular Quay. Number 23 over there, and we have no number heading up here. Now, if you're wondering what those little paper things on the front door are, it basically means that the front carriage and the back carriage of the light rail has been closed off, as they want to keep the health of the driver at a good risk or something. So we have number 23, the doors open, and we have number 40 coming up the track. It's heading towards Circular Quay. I'm pretty sure the back half should be number 39. You can see the front carriage is locked off. And we have number 23 and something else coming up. Number 39 back half here. Number 23 now coming up towards Randwick. Front carriage blocked off again. Now these middle carriages aren't locked off. Number 24 is the back half. We now have another light rail approaching one of the platforms. Its destination is, I'm pretty sure it is, yeah, this destination is Juniors Kingsford. And it is the number 1, the leader. Just gonna walk up a little bit. Yeah, so number 1's just stopped at Wynyard Station, followed by number 2. Alright, doors now just closed, and the light rail is heading back up. Set is number 1, and it's heading towards Juniors Kingsford on the L3. Next half, number 2. I actually think that even the middle carriages are locked off with the driver's cab in it. I'm not sure though. And there's number 2. Anyway guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed Trams spotting at Wynyard. Hopefully I'll be able to see you guys soon, and I'll be having a whole list of videos going up in a little while when I go back on to the train network, and I'll go to a lot of stations and do train spotting. Anyway guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. My goal is to get to 200 subscribers around this year. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next video. Goodbye.